Alright y'all, so we're just going to unwind and relax and take this makeup off and just chat it up a little bit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove my makeup, and I'm going to be using the Mary Kay oil-free makeup remover. It is a 2-in-1 makeup remover, so you can take off your eye makeup and then shake it up and be able to take off all of your makeup. So I definitely like using this product just because you get 2 products in one, and as you guys can see, I love using it. I'm out of this one, so got me a backup. So like I said, I'm taking off the eye makeup first. And you guys, I'm super duper excited for this new series my pastor just started today. So this is actually Sunday, December the 3rd or 4th? December the 4th as I'm recording this video. This video is definitely going to come out a little bit later in December just because I have some other stuff coming out. But anyways, you guys, my pastor is starting this series, and it's basically called Uncommon Faith. And I am going to link the scripture right here that we were studying from today. But basically, long story short, when a Roman soldier came to Jesus and was asking him to heal one of his servants, and he was just basically saying how, like, that's very uncommon. Someone that typically wouldn't believe in Jesus coming to ask for help and knowing that all he needed was Jesus to say the word and it was going to be done. So that's the key thing that he was really wanting us to focus on, my pastor. Just what are we really saying over our lives and manifesting into our lives, because whatever we say, it's not going to come back to us void, just like the scripture says. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but I will link it down below for you guys. And it really just had me thinking today, like, what am I really saying over my life? And I'm gonna shake the rest of the makeup remover so that way I can go ahead and take off my foundation. So this is what my face is looking like after I have taken off all of the foundation. And the next thing that I'm going to do is apply a face mask. This is the Mary Kay Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. It's one of my favorite products. It literally does what it needs to do. It deep cleanses, and it's not one of those masks that dry your face out. Once you have taken the mask off, your skin does feel nice and moisturized underneath, even though it is oil free. And the way that you know that this mask is done, it is going to dry down to a lighter gray color, and then you'll know that it's done because it's going to look a little bit more dried out. Alright y'all, so this is what the mask looks like when it's drying down, and then your face starts to get a little like a little tight. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a warm washcloth to get the mask off of my face. Alright y'all, so now that I have my face pre-cleansed, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Mary Kay eye patches. You guys, I love these things. Like, it just brings the spa to your home, like, for real. In a jar, a spa in a jar. Like, that's literally what it is. So I'm gonna let these sit on my face basically while I do the rest of the cleaning process of my skin. So now I'm going to go in with the Mary Kay Botanical Effects Cleansing Gel. I love this gel because it's nice and it just gets all sudsy. Like, so it makes me think of like actually washing my hands. It's kind of like soap for your face. That's basically what your cleanser is. So I'm going to go in with this with some warm water, and I'm actually going to use my Neutrogena microdermabrasion brush to actually scrub this into my skin. Alright y'all, so like I was saying, the pastor was just talking about having uncommon faith and really taking control and really focusing in on what you are speaking over yourself. So I really had to think about that because he was really also just pointing out the fact that, like, okay, we're back to the end of the year again. Christmas is coming around, holiday season is coming around, New Year's is coming up, and we're about to have the same New Year's resolutions. We're saying the same stuff, trying to do those same last minute goals. We'll reach those, the same goals we were working on at the beginning of the year, trying to hurry up and cram and thinking we're going to see some different results. And he really just broke it down simply and was just like, You know, if you're okay with basically how your life is right now, then that's cool. But if you want to see something more, greater, uncommon, like that soldier, you know, really had on his mind that he wanted Jesus to heal this servant, like, you gotta do some uncommon things. So, like, he was a Roman soldier. He wasn't supposed to be going to talk to Jesus. So, like, that really had us thinking, like, dang, if I want 10,000 subscribers, you know, if I want to go viral, I'm just giving you guys some examples. If I want to lose more weight, or, you know, start a business, like, what am I going to do differently? What am I going to say differently? What am I going to do differently? Who am I going to be around differently? You know, how is my environment going to be different to allow those things to happen? Because if we keep doing the same thing, we're not going to get a different result. That's the definition of insanity, which he definitely mentioned today. Like, you can't keep doing the same thing and expecting something different to happen. It just don't work that way. So that's basically what we're getting into in this new series about uncommon faith. And you guys, I'm just super duper excited because I've always wanted a lot more for myself, but it's just like, okay, I'm tired of thinking about it, dreaming about it. Like, let's really put some action behind the words. So that is my focus lately, putting actions behind the words. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the rest of the cleanser off my face. Now we're gonna go into exfoliating. And I'm only going to do a little bit of exfoliating just because, I mean, we really did do a deep cleanse, so I don't want to irritate my skin, but I just want to make sure that I've pretty much gotten rid of all the makeup because I don't want to clog my pores up and have any breakouts. So I'm going in with the Mary Kay Botanicals Invigorating Scrub, and this one I am going to apply on my hands. A little bit of this product definitely goes a long way. You do not need a lot. I'm going to use like a quarter or pea size. No, this is about a quarter size. I'm talking about a pea. About a quarter size amount. And I'm going to get that a little bit wet. And just work that in. Like I said, I'm only using a little bit of this because I don't want to dry my skin out too much, but I really want to make sure that it's clean. Now that we have thoroughly cleansed the skin in those 3 steps, I'm going to go in and tone. And this is the Mary Kay Botanical Effects Refresher Toner. And this is literally just going to pick up anything else that's left on my skin. This is what the toner is going to go back in and do. This is just like my extra self-care, skincare routine when I really want to make sure my skin is clean after wearing makeup. So you don't need all of these steps. You really only need your cleanser, your toner, and your moisturizer. And I'm just going to press this into the skin. And the reason why I'm pressing it into the skin is because I wanted to get in my pores and pick anything else up that might be left on my skin. I'm going to go in with a treatment, and this is the Clear Proof Acne Treatment Gel from Mary Kay. I'm not going to put this all over the place. I'm just going to put it on my problem area, which is right here underneath the jawline. And I did notice I had a couple of pimples, or they weren't really pimples because there's no bacteria or whiteheads in them, but I just noticed I had some bumps, and that's because it's their time right now, sis. So this is just a proactive step that I like to do, just so that way I can ensure that I'm minimizing my breakouts and just really stopping them in their tracks. This is literally a zip zapper. I really love how this works. Even when I do get a pimple, and if I pick at it, even though I know I'm not supposed to, this definitely does help with the healing process and making sure that my skin isn't scarring either if I do pick a pimple. So it's another thing that I like doing. Now, I'm always dropping something, y'all. It never fails. So now I'm going to go in with the Moisturizing Renewing Gel Mask. This is also from Mary Kay. This is from the Time Wise collection. And I'm going to apply this with my fingers as well. A little bit of this product does go a long way. And with this mask, it absorbs into your skin. So you don't have to rinse it off or wipe it off. So I kind of like apply it like I'm applying lotion, basically. And I just apply it all over my skin. I'm going to be actually using the St. Ives lip scrub in Juicy Watermelon. And I just like to rub it in. Because you could rub it in with your lips, but I like to use my finger to kind of rub it in. So that way I know it's getting everything off. So that way my lips are nice and moisturized and do not feel chapped. Because we can't have crusty lips out here. It's cuddle and cozy season. We can't have no chapped lips. No ma'am. So anyways, as I digress and get another sip, y'all. So yeah, I'm just really trying to just refocus you guys on what it is that I'm saying and speaking over my life, and really prioritizing my goals and getting them out on paper and not just keeping them up in my head. That's one thing that I have realized. When I write something down, I really do achieve it. Not saying that I won't achieve it if I don't write it down, but really just seeing it and putting a date on it. You guys, y'all know I stress this so much. Timelines are important when it comes to goal setting, because you have to keep yourself accountable. Alright, y'all, for my lip mask, I'm using the Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask. I really like how moisturizing this lip mask is, and a little bit of this product definitely does go a long way. You do not have to use a lot of it at all. So I like to take my pinky nail and I go in, and literally all you need is that much, about a pea size amount. And I just rub that in on my lips. Alright, and just like that, that is my spa self-care. And just like that, that is my spa self-care skincare routine. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed unwinding and relaxing with me in this video. And you guys, if you want to learn more about these products, I will have everything listed down below in the description box and a link, so that way you guys can learn more about these products. And you guys, that's pretty much all that I have for this video. You guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay popping. And I will catch you guys on my next video. And I hope that you guys are enjoying your Sunday or whatever day that it is that you're watching this video, and that you are doing your self-care and taking care of you. Okay, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.